All right, let's dive into a really exciting opportunity, the Silicon Spark Summer Program at BITS Pilani.
So if you're into the future of tech, this is definitely for you. Let's jump right in. So what is Silicon Spark? Well, it's a hands-on research program for future innovators like you. And what's really cool is that it's a fellowship program, so it comes with awesome support. The whole point? Turning your classroom knowledge into real-world practical research experience.
Okay, the perks are awesome. You get hands-on lab time and mentorship from top researchers.
Let's talk about what you'll actually be working on. You get to specialize in some amazing areas.
You could be working on anything from MEMS and 2D materials to printed electronics, so much variety. Now, you might be wondering, hey, is this for me? Let's break down who should apply.
Basically, this is the bridge that takes you from classroom theory to solving real-world R&D problems.
It's perfect for science and engineering students, or if you're a recent grad who's super motivated.
But here's the bottom line. If you're really into semiconductor tech, you should totally apply.
Okay, here are the quick details. It kicks off May 25th, runs for 2 months in Hyderabad.
And the fellowship benefits are huge. We're talking financial support, mentorship, and an official certificate.
So, how do you apply? It's super easy. Just head to the CRS website and fill out the form.
This really sums it all up. It's about building up the next generation of researchers and engineers.
So this is your chance to make a real impact. The real question is, what will you spark? Seriously, don't wait on this one. Head over to the website and get your application in for Silicon Spark.